Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see about Parser returned error 0xc00ce508 on Windows 11 or 10. Go to search menu, type Windows Future, click on it. Untick this, click OK. Go to search menu, again do it, search it Windows Future. Click on Net Framework, click on it. Windows Communication Foundation, double click, and Net Future 4.0 Advanced Service. Every 4 of this enabled, tick, click OK. Let's Windows Update download the file for you. Click on it. After finishing this, go and restart your PC. That's it guys to this video. Thanks for watching. This tutorial must be helpful.